Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and first of all please like and subscribe if you haven't done it before. So today we are going to learn the CREST science topic, which is the process of soil formation and the layers of soil. So let's write down the topic. The topic can be soil as we are talking about it. So, first let's talk about how the first grain of soil is developed. Rocks, when they go through weathering and erosion, oh my god, first I have to tell you what is the meaning of weathering and erosion. Weathering means when rocks break into small, tiny pieces. That means the rock has been weathered. And erosion means the movement of a rock from one place to another. Now we have discussed that what is weathering and erosion, so let's move on. So I was saying, when weathering and erosion happens of these rocks, it turns into smaller particles, like I told you. So when it turns into smaller and smaller particles, when humans did not exist, then these particles over 1,000 millions of years, they made themselves the first grains of soil. After weathering and erosion of one rock so many times, the first grain of soil developed. Now, let's come back to today. Now, today's soil slip of my tongue. It is soil formation. Now, today's soil formation is when we see a plant, its roots are underneath the soil, as we all know clearly. But we don't know the parts of soil. Now, this is a plant. I know I'm not that good at drawing on the board, but you all can understand. Now, these are the layers. This is the top layer. This is the second, and this is the third, fourth, and let's close this box. Okay, now these all are soils. Okay, these are all the layers of soils, and as we can see, the roots of a plant extend towards the third layer of soil. Now let's label this diagram. First, let's put arrows on each part, and the first is O, the second is A, B, C, and R. Now, I have told you the letters, but I have not told you what they really mean. O means humus, or we can call it organic matter. Now let me explain this part. This part means that when there are dead animals or plants on the soil, they make up compost, as we all know, and that forms the first layer of soil, humus or organic matter. The second layer of soil is called topsoil. This topsoil is the second layer, which plant roots extend, and they only extend till the B part if it is needed. This topsoil helps in maintaining the plant's root, which provides nutrients and minerals. B is called the subsoil, which is right below the topsoil. It also prevents, oh my god, is there a frog in my throat? It means it also protects the extra roots of the plant, which is also very important if any plant has them. C is called the parent material. and R is called the bedrock, which by its names declares that it is made up of rocks. Bedrock. So there are many rocks in it. It is fully made up of rocks. So that was all. Thank you for watching my video, and please tell me in the comments which topic do you want to learn next. Thank you.